Hey guys, it's Waverly from Rarity's World, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect s'more. First guys, you put your marshmallow on your stick. Then you get your graham crackers and chocolate. Delicious. Now you roast your marshmallow. You're gonna roast it until it's crispy gold. I think mine's a little overcooked. Next, you put your marshmallow in your graham crackers and just slide it out. If you get a little marshmallow on your hands, just lick it. Delicious. Next step, and by far the most important, consumption. Delicious.